Hello everyone, I am Aldrich de la Peña, 19 years old and live in Mangkasay, Paracali, Camarines Norte. I am interested in playing sepak takraw and I once became a cadet when I was in high school. I am also a really big fan of One Piece. Currently, I am staying here in Daet, first year student of Camarines Norte State College and took a Bachelor of Science in Information System. The reason for this presentation is to introduce myself and also to explain what is the course Information System. This course is not all about programming, but it is also about operating a business with the help of technology. Why? Because technology provides the services to collect, store, process, and distribute information that help businesses for faster and accurate operation. This course has many job roles waiting for you in the future, just like system analyst, business analyst, database administrator, and many more. Since this course is a trend, if you are a high school student and you have a passion for this, you can take it as a first step of your college journey. Don't be afraid to lose, because every battle is not all about winning. There is also learning and experience.